Okay, so we've got a new way to enter grades for the CSWE competencies to report for accreditation. There'll be a new tab at the bottom of your course that says CSWE competencies. When you click that, it'll launch a new tab or window that'll show step-by-step directions, just like what I'm going through in this video, to show you how to enter your scores. But it's pretty simple. You're going to go down to Grade Center and click that to expand, and then click on Full Grade Center. That'll bring up your Grade Center, and in your Grade Center, we will have added a column or columns in there with rubrics for you to fill in.
So use the scroll bar to scroll all the way to the right or the left and look for the columns named CSWE.
And you'll see that they have a red slash, meaning they're not shown to students. To enter your scores, you'll use the arrow in one of the cells for a student and click on it to go to View Grade Details. And that will pull up a window for that student, and you'll want to click on View Rubric under Current Grade Value. That'll launch a new window with the rubric in it for the practice behaviors for this particular rubric for your course. There will be the level of exemplary, proficient, needs improvement, or unsatisfactory. None of that has changed. You can ignore the percentages and points that are given there, but basically rate them for exemplary or proficient or needs improvement or unsatisfactory. Ignore the feedback and simply click Save.
It'll bring you back to the Grade Center page where you'll see a number put in the field here, which you can basically ignore. But you do have to scroll down and click Save one more time. So you're going to click Save twice. And once that's done, you'll see a check mark here, and you'll also see it in the Grade Center.
And that will be all you need to do to score for that student. Now, if you are in a course that has multiple students in there, like this one, you'll be able to see the ones that have a green check mark are those that have been rated or completed, and those that have 2 dashes are not yet completed. And again, you can click the arrow, go to View Grade Details, and click on View Rubric in order to score them. You can also use the arrows up next to the name to go from one student to the next student. And that's an easy way to go down through the students and rate them by simply using the arrows to go back and forth through the student, and then click on View Rubric to save their scores. Now, in the Full Grade Center, you'll notice, again, you can see which students have been rated and which haven't. And that really, in a nutshell, is how you will rate the students. If you should need to re-rate a student, you can always go to View Grade Details for that student, and you can click on Clear Attempt, and it'll remove that attempt, and then you can click on View Rubric again to rescore that student. So thanks for your attention, and be sure to contact the IDEA team if you need any assistance. ideateam@ssw.umaryland.edu or 410-870-9663.